This is 11-3 and 4, Work Together Part 2, as my battery decided to die. And I think I can't remember where I was at. I just got done doing sales journal and did the purchases journal. So I'm now ready to do cash receipts journal, which is on page 257. And I'm to do the special amount columns. So the only one that's not a special amount column would be the generals, the general debit and credit. So all the others have to be posted as totals. So the first one is the accounts receivable credit column for $6,360. So find your accounts receivable account, which would be on page 261 of your workbook, and we'll put in the 31st as the date. This is from CR, Cash Receipts Journal, page 12. And this is a credit of $6,360. And since it's the opposite of my balance is a debit balance, I'll take $8,662.33 minus that $6,360 is $2,302.33. Account number 1130 will go underneath the total. Next column is sales credit. So find the sales ledger account on page 262. So this would be on the 31st. This is from Cash Receipts Journal, page 12. This is a credit of $18,320. And now I have a total of, and I'm going to have to look just a second as my calculator doesn't go out that far, would be $258,615. Account number 4110 goes underneath the sales credit column in parentheses, 4110. Sales tax payable credit, the top of this page is on the 31st. CR12, payable credit $1,099.20, $1,099.20, and they're both credits, so I'll add them together. So $2,923.68. 2140 is the account number, and that goes underneath the total, 2140. Next column is sales discount debit, $31.40. So find the account sales discount. It's on the 31st. Cash receipts, page 12. Debit, $31.40. Add that to my other debit of $21.98. $31.40 is $2,229.40. And now I have account number 4120 to put underneath the total for sales discount debit on the cash receipts journal. The last special amount column is cash debit. So going back to the first page of the ledger, up on top, the 31st, and also this thing must have moved. Here we go. Cash receipts journal, page 12, a debit of $25,747.80, and we'll add those two together because they're both debits, $13,235.58 plus 25,747.80, $38,983.38. Account number 1110 goes underneath the cash debit column. That completes posting to cash receipts. Next is cash payments journal, money going out. That's on page 253 of your workbook. The first special amount column is accounts payable debit. So on that first page, moving down, we're going to put the date in as the 31st. This is cash payments journal 15. And accounts payable debit of $8,656. So I'll take the balance, that happens to be a credit balance, of $16,755.20, and subtract the debit, because it's different, $8,656. I get $8,099.20 left over. And the account number 2110 goes underneath the accounts payable debit total, in parentheses, 2110. The next one is purchases discount credit on column 4. So find your purchases discount. Should be a couple pages back. It's on the 31st. This is from the cash payments journal, so CP 15. Credit of $128.48. I already have a credit balance of $1,258.85. $128.48. Add that to it. I've got $1,387.33. And then we have 5120. Goes underneath the total for purchases discount credit. Now I need to post the total for cash credit. So find cash on the first page. It's the 31st. Cash payments journal, page 15. We have a credit of $18,704.16. So I'll take the balance of $38,983.38 and minus $18,704.06. So I get $20,279.32. $20,279.32. And this is account number 1110, and that will go underneath the cash credit column. And that completes the posting to the cash payments journal and completes 11.4.